Technology and sports, smart fitness trackers. In recent years, technology has made significant strides in the world of sports, particularly with the development of smart fitness devices that can track and monitor athletic performance. These devices, ranging from fitness trackers to smart clothing, are designed to help athletes optimize their training and improve their overall fitness levels. One popular example of a smart fitness device is the fitness tracker, which uses sensors to monitor a range of physiological data, including heart rate, steps taken, and calories burned. These devices can be worn as a watch or clipped onto clothing, and can provide real-time feedback on athletic performance, allowing athletes to adjust their training accordingly. Another popular type of smart fitness device is smart clothing, which uses embedded sensors and other technology to monitor a range of physiological data, including body temperature and muscle activity. This information can be used to optimize training and recovery, helping athletes to perform at their best. Moreover, technology has also enabled the development of smart sports equipment, such as smart tennis rackets and basketballs, which use sensors to track performance data and provide real-time feedback. This can help athletes to improve their technique and optimize their training, leading to better performance on the field or court. Another important area of development in technology and sports is the use of virtual and augmented reality, which can provide athletes with immersive training experiences. With the use of virtual and augmented reality, athletes can simulate real-life game scenarios, allowing them to practice and refine their skills in a safe and controlled environment. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of technology in sports, particularly around the potential impact on privacy and the need for responsible and ethical use of data. It is important to ensure that technology is used in a way that supports the health and well-being of athletes, and that ethical considerations are taken into account in the development and use of technology. Another important area of development in technology and sports is the use of data analytics and machine learning to analyze and interpret large amounts of data related to athletic performance. With the use of data analytics and machine learning, coaches and athletes can gain insights into their performance, identify areas for improvement, and optimize training and recovery. Moreover, technology has also enabled the development of smart stadiums and arenas, using sensors and other technology to enhance the fan experience and improve safety and security. With the use of smart stadiums and arenas, fans can enjoy personalized experiences, such as customized food and beverage options and real-time updates on game scores and statistics. Another important area of development in technology and sports is the use of wearable technology for injury prevention and rehabilitation. With the use of wearable technology, athletes can monitor their body mechanics and movement patterns, allowing them to identify potential sources of injury and make necessary adjustments to their training. Furthermore, technology has also enabled the development of sports broadcasting and media, using virtual and augmented reality to provide fans with immersive experiences of live events. With the use of sports broadcasting and media, fans can enjoy live events from anywhere in the world, with a level of interactivity and engagement that was previously impossible. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of technology in sports, particularly around the potential impact on the integrity of the game and the need for responsible and ethical use of data. It is important to ensure that technology is used in a way that supports the integrity of the game and the well-being of athletes and fans. Another important area of development in technology and sports is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance athletic performance and training. With the use of AI, coaches and athletes can analyze data on performance and training, identifying patterns and trends that may not be immediately visible to the human eye. This can help athletes to optimize their training and improve their performance on the field or court. Moreover, technology has also enabled the development of